welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, you guys have been asking me a lot about my eyebrows. So I'm going to do a video about how I do my eyebrows. So I kind of have like two ways of how I kind of do my eyebrows. I have the natural but let's get it together type of eyebrows. And also I have the IG super sleek, sharp edges eyebrows. So I'm gonna show you each one that I do. So for the natural kind of brow look, I usually use is my NYX pencil, is this one. I pretty much use this to just kind of like my weakest points are the end of my brows. They get a little on the thin side. So I usually use this to just kind of fill in the ends, and then to make the front the front of my brows look kind of like round, and I kind of like them to look kind of square. So let's get started. This is how I would do my like casual, I'm not going nowhere, slight, you know what I'm saying, like, oh, you got natural brows, oh, your brows, like you were blessed, naturally blessed brows. This is what I call them, the naturally blessed brows. Okay, so you guys can see this is how the natural brows look like, my version of the natural brows, like okay, so I kind of removed the majority of what I had. So the next one, I'm going to show you how I do my Instagram brows, okay? So it's kind of the same concept as the other one. I never start at the front. I always start at the middle because it means that's like when you first apply it, that's when you have the most product. And you don't want to start it from the beginning because then your eyes are going to look like a rectangle. And that's personally not my look. So once I've done that, I like to go ahead and conceal. In order to conceal, like I like to sharpen up the line on the bottom at least. And I use Fawn from LA Girl Pro Concealer. Take a brush that is like flat. It helps me smooth it out at the end. The majority of the time, I don't do it on the top. So I just do the bottom, okay? Final look that I don't really do too much to my eyebrows. It's pretty simple. So yeah, if you guys liked this video, please be sure to give this video a thumbs up. And if you guys have any other recommendations you guys want to see, be sure to let me know down in the description, like in the comments down below. I am trying to put out more new content, you know what I'm saying, spice it up a little bit. So yeah, thank you for watching, guys, and I hope to see you guys next time. Bye.